Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I will continue the PSPP practice, especially for homogeneity test. Before that, as far as I know, the homogeneity test functions is to help us to determine whether the data sets being studied has the same characteristic or not, or has equal variances or not. So without further ado, let's get started to the step. Before that, I have prepared the data that will be analyzed in my Microsoft Excel like this. Then we go to PSPP, create new. Alright, to do homogeneity test, we need to create two rows for the class, for the score. For the first is score, and next is class. Then we need to adjust the decimal into 0 like this. And then we need to adjust the value labels of class, just the value labels of the class by double click here like this. Then I will create value label according to the types of tests. Type of test in here in data in Microsoft Excel. For the number one is pretest experimental class. Click it. Number two is post-test experimental class. Click add. And number three is pretest control class. Click add. And number four is post-test. Number four, post-test control class. Okay, click add. Now just click OK. Okay. All right. Now we go to data view. We go to data view to paste the data that we have copied from Microsoft Excel. Now I will copy the data from Microsoft Excel. For the first is pretest from experimental class. Control C, then I will paste it to the score in the data view in PSPP. Now I will change the class. The class of pretest, the number of pretest of experimental class is number 1. I have to change all of them. Not change, I mean like 8. 8 probably. Okay. Then I will move to the Excel. Now I will copy the data post-test from experimental class. Control C, then I will paste it to the score in data view in PSPP. Control V. Now I will change the number of the class of post-test experimental class is number 2, like this, number 2, number 2. All right. Now I will move again to the Excel. Now I will copy the pretest of control class. Control C, then I will paste it to score in data view in PSPP, just like previous. Control B. Okay, now I will adjust the number of the value labels. Now is number 3. Okay. Now I move again to Excel to copy the post test of control class. Then I will paste it to score in data view, select previous. Then I will change the value labels to the number of value labels in class column. This post test of control class, the value labels is number 4, right? So I will change it to 4. All right. Now, after we have pasted the all of the data, now we go to analyze. We go to analyze right here. Then we choose compare means here. Then choose one-way ANOVA. The last one here. Okay. Okay, now I have to replace the score to dependent variables and the class to vector. Don't forget to checklist the homogeneity test. Okay, now click OK for the last step. Alright, the output will appear in our taskbar too. So here, now I have to determine whether my data is homogeneous or not. Alright, the homogeneity test has criteria or Levin test is criteria. The criteria are if the significant value is more than 0.05, it means the data is homogeneous. However, if the significant value is less than 0.05, it means the data is not homogeneous. So look at here, my significant value is here. Zero point zero zero zero. It means my data is all right. My significant value is 0.917. It means the data is homogeneous. Because why? Because the significant value is more than 0.05. All right, that's the homogeneity test practice. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.